Hariom everyone, my name is Rutika. I am telling about being safe. You do not play with electrical switches. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not open the door with mom permission. You walk only zebra crossing. You have to go only green lights come only. Bye bye. Thank you.
Hariom ma'am, my name is Shrikita and I'm studying in Rajadhani Residential School in 2nd class. Today I tell about
being safe at home.
being safe at the home. Don't open the doors. There are any strangers outside. Tell your parents and open the doors. Don't play with the sharp objects and don't play with the electric things and don't play with the fire.
Being safe while traveling in a vehicle.
Don't put your hands and heads in the moving vehicle. Don't disturb the driver.
Being safe on the road.
You need to cross the zebra crossing. Don't play on the road.
Being safe while riding a bicycle.
Don't look there and look here. We need to set this right. We need to put helmet and safety things. Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Hello ma'am, my name is Lohit Narayan. Today I am telling being safe. Do not open the door with any stranger. First check with your parents or a grown up and takes care of you. Do not play like sharp objects and electric switches. Keep away from fire and do not play matchsticks and matchboxes. And do not play on the staircase.
On the road.
On the road. We were just walk on the pavement. Do not walk on the road. Do not walk on the busy roads. You can walk on the zebra crossing. Before the signal comes yellow light. Do not put like hands or head in the road before the vehicles it hits you. And it hits you. Do not round on the road. Do not play on the road and round on the road. Do not round on the road and playing.
Traveling
in a car. Do not disturb the driver. Do not see outside windows. And do not take mobile phones in the driving in the car.
Riding a bicycle.
Riding a bicycle. We can ride a bicycle in a pavement. There was a people we ring a bell. You hold like handles like this. And you pedal medium fast.
Hello ma'am, I am Hanis. I am studying in 2nd class in Rajadhani Residential School. I am going to tell being safe at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not run on the stair
zebra crossing. Watch out for signals. Traveling in a vehicle. Do not put head or hand outside moving a vehicle. Get on and off a bus only at a bus stop after it has stopped. Do not disturb the driver. Riding a bicycle. Keep to the left of the road. Avoid busy roads. Wear a helmet while cycling. While playing, do not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. Wait for your turn at the seesaw, slide and swing. Thank you.
Hari Om, ma'am. Good evening. Today now I am telling safety rules. Being safe at home, keeping away from fire, do not play with sharp objects, being safe on the road, walk on the pavement, use the zebra crossing, being safe traveling in a vehicle, do not put head or hand outside a moving vehicle, being safe riding a bicycle. Alone.
Hi ma'am, my name is Rehan. I am studying in second class in Rajadhani Residential School. I am telling about safety rules at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not run on the staircase. On the road, walk on the pavement. Use the zebra crossing. Watch out for signals. Traveling in a vehicle. Do not put it or an outside a moving vehicle. Get on and off a bus only at a bus stop after it has stopped. Do not disturb the driver riding a bicycle. Keep to the left of the road. Avoid busy roads. Wear a helmet while cycling. While playing, do not. Thank you, ma'am.
I am Ritika studying in second class. I telling about being safe at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with do not play with sharp objects.
ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಶಾರ್ಪ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
Do not run on the staircase.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
While playing.
Do not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. Wait Do not
Wait for.
wait for
Hey.
To-
Wait for.
do not
Do not లేదు కదా
wait for
Mm.
you
Your.
your
Mm.
turn.
Mm. At.
At the seesaw, slide the and swing.
Riding a bicycle.
Riding a bicycle.
Mm.
Keep
Mm.
to the left.
Fast ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು.
Of the road.
Avoid.
Avoid busy.
Hariham ma'am, my name is Satik. I am student second class. My school name is Rajesh Balakrishnan. Tell about being safe at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with sharp object. Do not run on the staircase on the road. Walk on the pavement. Use the zebra crossing. Watch you for signals. Traveling in a vehicle. Do not put head or hand outside a moving vehicle. Get on at and off a bus only at a bus stop. After it has stopped, do not
Disturb.
stop the driving
Driver.
riding a bicycle. Keep to the left of the road. Avoid bus busy road. Wear a helmet. Cycle. While play. Do not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. Wait for your turn at the Cease SLID side and
Hello ma'am, good morning. Today I say being safe. Do not play with sharp objects. Never run on staircase.
play with fire. On the road. Walk on the pavement. Don't run on roads. Walking on zebra crossing. Traveling in vehicles. Do not put head and hand outside moving vehicles. Do not disturb on driver.
Hello ma'am, my name is Tanvir. I am studying in second class in Rajadhani Residential School. Now I am telling about being safe at home. Do not play with sharp objects and electrical switches. Never run on the staircase. Being safe on the road. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Do not play or run on the road. Being safe at traveling a vehicle. Always getting and get off a bus only at a bus stop. Do not shout at or disturb the driver while he or she in driving. Next, being safe while riding a bicycle. While riding a bicycle, you must not ride it on busy roads. Do not carry anything heavy on your bicycle. Thank you, ma'am.
Tell me two things about how you can be safe at home.
Before talking to any stranger, first check with your parents or a grown up who takes care of you. Do not play with sharp objects and electrical switches.
Tell me two things about how you can be safe while riding a bicycle.
We must wear helmet. And ride bicycle. We do not ride bicycle on busy road.
Tell me two things how you can be safe while traveling in a vehicle.
Never put your head out of a moving vehicle because vehicle passing by may hit you.
Second,
Get off a moving vehicle when it stops.
okay.
Thank you.
Hello, ma'am. My name is P. Nihal Gupta. I am studying in second grade in Rajdhani Residential School. Today I am telling being safe at home, traveling in a car, and riding a bicycle. First, I am telling being safe at home. Do not open door with strangers without checking your parents. Second one, do not play with sharp objects like scissors, knives, and blades. And don't touch electric switches. Next, being safe
vehicle because vehicle passing by may hit you. Second one, don't shout and disturb the driver while he or she is driving. Being safe, riding a bicycle. Do not carry heavy things on your bicycle. Do not ride on busy roads. Thank you, ma'am. My name is Yuk Chaudhary. Lesson name is Being Safe. And home.
At the home.
At the home, keep away. First one, keep away from fire. Second one, do not play with sharp object. Third one, do not run on the staircase.
Riding
a bicycle. Keep to the left of the road. Second one,
avoid
busy roads. Third one, wear a helmet. Wear the helmet but while cycling. While riding a bicycle. Riding bicycle is very, very fun. But do not ride on busy roads. Keep left side of the road and ride bicycle. Wear a helmet while riding a bicycle. Do not carry heavier things on the bicycle. Hold the handlebar firmly with both hands. Do not ever let go with handlebars while riding a bicycle. While playing. Play with friends in a playground. Take turn while playing on the swing. Do not wander off alone. Do not hurt others. And do not get hurt while playing. Bye. I am Harivarasana Reddy. I am studying in second class. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. I am telling about being safe. Being safe means keeping yourself and your things from danger. You can this by following safety rules. You must follow safety rules. You must follow safety rules wherever you go, at home, playground or school, anywhere else.
Never open the doors. Never open the doors of your home to any stranger without checking with your parents or grown-up who takes care of you. Keep away from fire. Don't play with sharp objects and electrical switches. Do not play with matchsticks and matchboxes. Do not run on the staircase. On the road, always walk on the pavement. Cross only at zebra crossing.
Wait. Wait for the
Wait for the walk. Wait for the walk. Wait for the walk to turn. Signal to turn green. Signal to turn green before crossing the road.
Hello everyone, my name is Adita Tripathi. I am studying in grade 2. My school name is Rajdhani Residential School. Today I am telling third lesson, being safe. Warm up at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with the sharp objects. Do not run on the staircase. Traveling in a vehicle. Do not put head or hand outside a moving vehicle. Get on the off a bus only at the bus stop after it has stopped. Do not disturb the driver. Riding a bicycle. Keep to the left or the of the road. Avoid bushy roads. Wear a helmet while cycling on the road. Walk on the pavement. Use the zebra crossing. Watch out for signals while playing. Do not play on the road. Do not wander off alone. Wait for your turn at the seesaw. Slide and swing. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Tatri. I am studying in second class in Rajdhani National School. Today I am going to tell you about being safe lesson. Why safety rules while traveling in a vehicle. Don't disturb the driver. Don't get off the moving vehicle. Safety rules on the road. Use zebra crossing. Walk on the pavement. While riding a bicycle, wear helmet. While riding a bicycle, avoid busy roads. Thank you. Ma'am, my name is Suhan. I'm studying in second class. Today, my mom asking safety rules, questions. I'm telling answers.
Okay. Tell me being safe at home.
Being safe at home. Do not play with matchsticks. Do not play with matchboxes. Do not run on the house and the staircase. Do not wear oil or water in house. Do not open door without your parents' permission. Another question.
Being safety while traveling in a vehicle.
We should not put our hands while moving vehicles. Do not put your head outside come vehicles and forcefully come and hurt your head and your hands.
Okay.
Another
question.
Being safe while riding a bicycle.
We should put helmet and we should put helmet while bicycling. We should hold the handles hardly and we should drive on the left side of the road. Next question.
Okay. Being safe while playing.
We should take turns. You fight, others hurt, and you also hurt. Take turns for swing, slide, any playing things. Next question.
Okay. Walking on a road.
Wait for turns. Walk on the zebra crossing.
Cross.
Cross.
Walk on the pavements.
Walk on the pavements.
Cross. Cross the road
Cross the road with zebra
at the zebra crossing.
at the zebra crossing.
Hmm.
Wait for signals come green. Thank you, ma'am.
Undu.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Suhana. Hello, ma'am. My name is Suhana, studying in 2nd class. Today, I am reading Being Safe lesson. Being safe at home. Keep away from fire. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not run on the staircase. Being safe on the road. Walk on the pavement. Use the zebra crossing. Watch out for
Signals.
Watch out for
Signals.
signals.
Traveling.
Traveling
Hmm.
Traveling in a vehicle. Do not put head or hands outside a moving vehicle. Get on and off a bus only at a bus stop. After it has stopped, do not disturb the driver.
Riding.
Riding a bicycle. Keep to the left of the road.
Avoid.
Avoid
Busy.
busy road.
Wear.
Wear a
Helmet.
Wear a helmet while cycling. While playing, do not play on the road. Do not
Wander.
wander off only.
Alone. Do not wander off.
Do not wander off
Alone. Hmm.
Wait for your turns. Wait for your turn at the swing.
Seesaw. At the seesaw.
At the seesaw,
Slide
slide the
and
and
swing.
swing. Thank you, ma'am.
My name is Sai Nihal. I am telling being safe. ATHOME at home. Keep away F for I am poem from FII fire. Do not play with. Yes. HARP sharp. OBJECTS objects. Do not run on the SEARCASE staircase. US on the road. WALK walk on the PAVENT pavement. US use the ZEBR a zebra. CROSSING crossing. WACH watch. OUT out. For yes. IGIAL signals. Do not play. HEAD head. Our head. OUT out. SID side. MOVIN VEHICH with. GET get in. OFF off. BUS bus. ONLY only. BUS bus. STOP stop. AFTR after it. Has STOPP. ED stopped. DO do not. DISTURB distract. DRIV drive. KEP keep. To the EFT left.
Being safe means keeping yourself and your things away from danger. You can do this by following safety rules. You must follow safety rules wherever you go, at home, in the playground, at school, and anywhere else. At home, before talking to a stranger, first check with your parents or any grown-ups who take care of you. Always inform and take permission with your parents or any grown-ups who take care of you before going anywhere with a stranger. Never open the doors of your house to a stranger without taking permission without checking with your parents or any other grown-ups who take care of you. You should not play with sharp objects. We should not play with sharp objects and electrical switches. Keep away from fire and do not play with matchsticks and matchboxes. Never run on staircase. On the road, always walk on pavement. Always only cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Cross with a grown-up cross with a grown-up. Never run or play on the road. While traveling in a vehicle,